So in this lecture, I'm going to go over the packages and executables definitions. A ROS package is a directory or folder that contains everything needed for a robotic application or component. So example is a software for a camera that may contain a camera package. So see in this image where there is a camera package. Inside that there are different files and stuff like Python code, C++ code, launch files, configuration files, images, dependencies, etc. So these are all files that are relevant. That can be files can be different, like Python codes and like images. Those are different, but those are relevant because those together they serve a single purpose. Say, for example, to establish the functionality of a camera. So that's why they are put together as in a single folder or directory, and that folder or directory is actually called package in ROS. And what is an executable? Executable always is inside a package. So inside a package there we can see that Python code or C++ code. These are basically programs inside the package that can be run or executed. And that's why they are called executables. So an executable is a program that can be run by operating the system. So we can see this from the example from the previous lecture where we had ROS2 run demo underscore nodes underscore cpp and stalker. So here the first two term, the ROS2 and run, what do they mean? So the term ROS2, it's called a command line interface. So this is a text-based interface where after that you can interact with this interface like ROS2 by writing a command line after it, which is this one run. So which is called the subcommand. So together ROS2 run becomes a command line interface command. So basically when you write ROS2 run, this provides a certain instruction to ROS or to do a particular task. So it's important to understand each of these terms. So the command line interface here is basically like an executable or program that is created when we install ROS2, and when we write the subcommand together, it becomes a command line interface command, and this basically means that when we write ROS2 run, this together means that we want to run or execute the following portion, whatever comes after. So here we can see the following portion is this demo underscore nodes underscore cpp and then talker. So let's understand these ones as well. So this one is the package. So demo underscore nodes underscore cpp. This is the package. So we are asking ROS to go into this package and then to run this executable. So ROS2 run means like in the command line interface, we're providing a command to ROS to run this talker, which is an executable from the package demo underscore nodes underscore cpp. And that's how it creates it runs it and a node is created.